Okay, now express partial fraction in as a, what am I talking? Express partial fraction, everything important please. Stand out if you need to. Very important very short topic but very important. Express proper fraction as partial fraction. Now, there are altogether 3 things that you need to do. Let's read step number 1. Check that it is a proper fraction. Step number 2. The blank here is convert. The long word here is long division. And this is the most important step. Step 1, do wrong, GG. End game. End of story. There's nothing else to check already. No need to mark. Straight away 0. Step 2, you need to factorize the denominator completely. Step 3, you need to check what case is it. Case 1, case 2, and case 3. Now, must you memorize? Yes. But you will do, is it given exam? No. Now, this is not provided in exam. Now, but don't worry. Write down. Yes. Don't worry. You don't need to memorize because I will let you practice until you sleep. You are closing your eyes, you can still chant out thing. Oh, having said that, I forgot I need to do one ritual. So I will ask you until you are so good that you don't need to memorize, it will just happen naturally. Let me introduce the first one, the first type. If you cannot recognize the type, also GG, don't need to do. First type is called distinct. Distinct means different. Different linear factors. Now, if you look at these two, this is AX plus B. This is CX plus D. In exam, you will see it in terms of number. Example, x plus 1, x minus 2, 2x plus 1, 3x minus 4, like linear. How to recognize linear? Simple. The power x is 1. For the bracket, that means inside the bracket, the power is 1. Can follow? Power is 1. So linear. Linear means power 1. Alright? Now this one very simple. I will split into 2 factors. Can follow? So let me use some colors to help you. So you may want to take out your colors as well. This one will be this. This one will be this. Do you follow? Every time it will be a plus. Every time it will be A and B. Or whatever the question gives. Now, can the number here be negative? Yes. Can it be 0? No. Make sense? Sometimes we'll give some, don't give when you set yourself lah. It can be any alphabet you like. Like M and also can. C is the alphabet. Can be usually no. Usually this one they will tell you lah. Like this is x plus 2 or 2x plus 1. Then it will be 2x plus 1. Can follow? Yeah. Later we go through. Okay. Can I introduce you the second pattern? Jia Yan. Now, second pattern is this. It's called repeated linear. Now I use the color. This is the repeated linear. This is the repeated linear. Then what about AX plus B? AX plus B is actually the linear. Do you follow? So this is case A. This is case B. Do you follow? Yep. So this is a mixture of case A and case B. Case A, nothing to say. It's just A over AX plus B. So this is linear. So maybe you want to use a pencil and write this is case A. This is case A. This is case A. This is case B. Do you follow? This is case B. Now, what happens when there's a case B? Now look at case B. Case B means like that. inside is linear. So that's why you see the word linear. But why repeated? And repeated how many times? Depends on the square outside. If this is square, I will repeat 2 times. So how do I present it? Very simple. Use the green, same highlighter, and highlight this. Okay? Do you follow? Again, if it's square, it means I will have cx plus d 1 time. B over cx plus d, 1 time. Then c over the same thing, but now square. This is the pattern. You have to recognize this pattern, put it in this pattern. No explanation one. Why? I can only think of this way to explain to you. Sorry, Do you recognize this pattern? Hello? What is this pattern? Case B, right? Linear repeated. Do you see the answer? It is itself with power 1 and then itself with power 2. I never bluff you. In between can be plus and minus. The number here can be anything. But I tell you, if this is power 2, later on when you split, you will see 2 fractions. One is power 1 itself, one is power 2 itself. Can follow now? So this is case 2. Now, can you look at A since you are on here? This is a case what? Case 1. Case A. So what happened? If I break it out into fraction, I promise you, you will see A over the first linear factor plus B over the second factor. See? I never bluff you. But there is no way I can do this for every question, right? For this to happen, I must have the question like that, like this plus then equal to that, right? Then I can come out with this. Do you follow? Like I have to come out with two separate fractions, then you can come out with a combined fraction. I choke. Then you tell me the combined fraction is equal to the sum of the split fraction. But if I tell you, now I only have the combined fraction like that. Now, I only have the combined fraction like that. How is it split to? Now, I'm going to tell you the pattern. The pattern is 1 linear plus 2 repeated linear. Apa? What? Yeah, like the LCM like that, but it is like that. Now, can I test your understanding? Can everyone help me write this? Please take out your pen and write this. Example. 3 over x minus 1 cube. 4. Sorry, 4. If I want you in the exam to split this into partial fraction, how many fractions do you see? 3. Let's look at the green color. Let's ignore the blue color because blue color is case number 1. This one no confusion, no dispute. But if it's cx plus d squared, how many do you see? 2, right? If it's cube, 3. Now, can I challenge you, Charlene? Okay, Jingfeng, can I challenge you to write what do you think you will see here? Can I be very kind, Gerald? Can you be very kind? Tell me what is the first one since you are talking non-stop. Oh, then can you tell me what is the first? What is the first fraction that you should see? A over x minus 1 no square. All right. This one is I wrote 3. I cancel. I put 4 because I don't want you to confuse because the power and the number is the same. I want to tell you there's no link. This can be any number. Gerald again. If the first one is a over x minus 1, can you suggest the second one that you should write? squared. Like that. But I cannot stop here because there's a cube. So what do you suggest I should write the third one? Answer. Like that. The ability to write like that is 1 mark. You need to find ABC. But that is later. First, we need to set up the equation correctly. Then we talk about how to solve later. Power 4 there I got 4 Power 10 I got 10 But I won't, the exam won't come out like that. Right, can I go through the third one? Can I introduce you the third one? Third one. Now, this is a combination of two cases. Can you recognize? Yes. The first one is linear. What is going on? The second one is quadratic. Now, I would like to now introduce and emphasize the difference between the green one